Hello everyone, let's get started with the explanation of the Data Mining Lab 2 homework. Okay, our homework this time consists of 4 parts. The first part is to complete the take-home exercise in the DM 2024 Lab 2 Master Report. Here is a link. And the second part involves participating in the in-class Kaggle competition, which also makes up 30% of the homework. Here is a link for that. And the third part is to write a report explaining how you develop a model for the competition. This part is another 30% of the work. Finally, the last 10% requires everyone to ensure that your code is clean and well organized, so it's easy for us to read and understand when we grade it. And the due date for this homework is Tuesday, November 26, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. Next, let's introduce the Kaggle competition. Here is a link to the Kaggle competition. When you finish the competition, please remember to fill in your student information in the DM 2024 Lab 2 homework IPYNB file and pass your final Kaggle private school board snapshot there. Next, let's go over the text overview for this competition. Our text is emotion recognition on Twitter. We have provided a dataset that was collected from Twitter, and we have labeled the emotion for these tweets. In our dataset, there are 8 classes of emotions. Our objective is to develop a model that can predict the emotion of each tweet. Now let's look at the dataset. The first JSON file is the raw data from Twitter, and the second file lists the emotion label for each tweet ID. The third file identifies whether each tweet ID belongs to a training or testing set. And the final CSV file is the submission format you should follow when submitting your work for the competition. You will need to submit a CSV file with your predictions. It should include 2 string type colors, ID and emotion. Don't forget to include a header as well. Here's an example of how your submission should look like. Next, I will explain how to submit your prediction file. First, go to our competition page and click the Submit Prediction button. Next, you will be taken to the interface showing the left image, where you can upload your prediction CSV file. After that, add a brief description of your submission. Finally, just click Submit to complete the process. Let's talk about evaluation part. Your submission will be evaluated by comparing your CSV to the ground truth solution, using the mean F1 score as the metric. On Kaggle, there are 2 leaderboards. First one is public leaderboard. It represents 30% of the testing data and can be seen during the competition for reference. And the private leaderboard is hidden until after the competition and use the other 17% of the data for final scoring. Here's how we will calculate your score for the Kaggle part. For the bottom 40% of rankings, those scores will get a fixed 20% of the 30% allocated for this session. For those in the top 41 to 100%, the score is calculated with a formula, where N is the total number of participants and X is your rank. So for example, if there are 100 participants and you rank 3rd, your score will be 29.67% out of 30%. And here are a few other rules. You can only submit up to 5 times per day. You are allowed to select 2 predictions for the final scoring, and Kaggle will use your best one as your result. Each student is limited to 1 team, and each team must have only 1 student. And please don't directly sharing your code with others. Finally, I wish everyone good luck and have fun. Thank you.